Hello everybody, it's the Big Fat Crypto Guy. Thank you very much for watching. So let's round off the week. The week's been pretty productive, pretty good. There's been a few profits here, a few profits there, not just for me but for everybody. Let's start from the top. So at the beginning of the week I went to EDL, which was Edollar, which is another mineable coin, another mineable kryptonite coin. Calling it kryptonite, but it's called crypto note. So just take that in mind that I like a bit of Superman as well. So EDL's amazing to mine because you get a fair chunk out. Since I've done this video, not like I'm saying I had a huge amount of response to EDL or whatever, but the net difficulty on EDL has soared to about 180 G, I think they call it, or something. So we're getting less coins out now. Let's see if that trend continues, because a lot of miners just do it for a couple of days, get as much as they can, then back off and then go on another coin. So really good development team, really focused on the project, and they're very interesting to talk to, very friendly, very nice, and they sort of know where they want to go. They're following a white paper as such. They're getting onto exchanges. Obviously it's taken a lot longer, but if you read the thread on the internet, Bitcoin Talk, you'll see that there is a lot of development in there. Second coin, on Tuesday I started to mine Leviarcoin or whatever. So again, this coin's been around for a while. I thought it had a good project. It was worth 19 cents a coin. It's obviously worth jack now, but this is on the basis that they were going to do a fork yesterday. So they were forking over to a new sort of code base, Monero's code base even. It was forking over to Monero's code base, and it was supposed to happen yesterday, and then it got pushed back, and a lot of people got angry. And while the fork was going on, a lot of people were dumping their coins, thinking, oh yeah, you know, let's make a profit now because this is going to be worth jack in the next couple of hours, which is fine. Okay, I get that. So a lot of people were dumping their coins. It went down to as low as 9 cents a coin from the high of 19, which I found. I did find out that it was worth a lot more, but obviously now it's fork. The fork never happened. They have no white paper released. They have no direction. If I was speaking to one of the admins on the group, and basically he's a very he's not a good guy. He was getting very angry at everybody, asking the same questions, even though there was a pinned post up there. I mean, I chimed in and said, look, we're not out there to hurt you or whatever, hurt your reputation. We're just out there to, you know, help you. And he didn't want to know. So that's a project that I'm not really wanting to back, because the admin doesn't really have any sort of idea of where he wants to go, or it's going to be in the white paper and whatever. And that's that. But, you know, the profits are still quite high on the coin. I've got 50 coins out now. I will sell once I get a bit more out. So let's go on to Bitcoin Private. Bitcoin Private happened at 5 o'clock on Wednesday, which was great. A lot of people started to buy Z Classic, and well, a lot of people bought in anticipation that the price would rise up after the fork. Obviously, if we did a lot of research on the coin, that we knew after the fork that Z Classic was going to dump like crazy. So the high was $130 a coin, and then it went down to something like $30 a coin, to $20 a coin, to $10 a coin, to now where it's worth absolutely nothing. Why is that? People put stop orders on, so when the profits started falling, they wouldn't lose, you know, they wouldn't lose the value of what they had. So stop orders were stopping that. So there we go. Bitcoin Private is supposed to be mineable today. It's the 2nd of March, because obviously it's 2 days later, so 2 days later, so happened on the 28th. So that's that. I'm really excited for it. I'm not too sure if I'm going to set up any rigs for it, but let's go. Yesterday, obviously, I didn't really do too much because I was still playing with the snow as such. But there we go. That's what it is. But what I did come across, I started day trading. So the last couple of days, I started day trading on Bitcoin. It's very easy to make 4 or 5% on the daily trades of Bitcoin and whatever. So yesterday I put in £100, I took out 104. The other day I put in £100, took out 105, stuff like that. So with it looks to me like the Bitcoin market is not as volatile at the moment, but the volume is still there. It's not as volatile, but it's just sort of weeding out all all the miners which brought in January said, oh yeah, we're going to buy like a £400 card or whatever, and we're going to make £1,000 this week or whatever, or month. So Bitcoin has sort of like corrected itself into a way that obviously we all know it's volatile. It's corrected itself into a way that it's not pushing the prices up too much, but there still can be make a profit there. I'm happy with £4 or £5 per day in profit, because I know that that would be that's more than a bank would pay in a year for me. So I've got a savings account with HSBC. It's an easy online save. It pays 0.10%. So on a £1,000 balance that I had in there a couple of months ago, I got 4p. You can see why people are getting into Bitcoin and you know, like me, like day trading. So there we have it. That's my weekly roundup on what I've been doing, what I've been researching. I hope this helps. I quite like this style of video, so it's better than the snow videos, that's for sure. But as soon as I know more coins, and as soon as I want to mine anything else, I shall let you know, and obviously we'll go from there. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you like this, please comment below if you like this sort of video type. It's very wet outside, it's still snowing, so mind the hair. Thank you very much, Big Fat Crypto Guy.